In a precious acknowledgement of literary excellence, the Sahitya Academy New Delhi has chosen to bestow the Sahitya Academy Award this year upon Professor Dr. Basukinath Jha, a distinguished figure in Maithili literature hailing from Samastipur in Bihar. The Basukinath Jha is a professor in Patna. The announcement was made by the Sahitya Academy, declaring Dr. Jha as the recipient of the Essay Literary Award for his book Bodh Sanketan. Born in Hasanpur Patsa villages in Samastipur, Dr. Basukinath Jha cultivated a profound interest in literature from an early age. Transforming this passion into his profession, he made significant contributions to the field of education during his 36-year teaching career. And Dr. Basukinath Jha is a renowned scholar, writer, and Sahityakar. Dr. Basukinath Jha, a prominent name in Maithili literature, it is recognized for his works such as Vidyapati Kabilochan, classical criticism, Anusilan, Abodh in Maithili, critical research, essay collections, Parivaha, collections of modern critical essay, Bodh Sanketan, collections of essay, it is written by the various authors, Vastuvachi Sanketan, collections of literature trend-based essays, Vyaktivachi Sanketan, collections of personality-based essay, and Maithili Literary Outline Part 1 and 2. He has authored numerous books. It is including novels that reflect social consciousness. In response to the announcement of this precious award, Dr. Basukinath Jha expressed his joy, emphasizing that honor and awards elevate the challenges one faces. He noted that receiving such recognition significantly heightens expectations from the individuals, increasing both the public's and his own responsibility. Dr. Basukinath Jha remains dedicated to contributing to the literary landscape, and it is meeting the heightened expectations set by this esteemed accolade.